Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you how I cook Nigerian chicken delicious stew. Have you eaten stew made on charcoal stove? You know how tasty it is. Well, keep watching and see how I prepare this delicious chicken stew. Very nice method I discovered. Let's dive into it. So my charcoal pot is already made, stove is already made. So I'll go ahead and place my clean pot on fire and add vegetable oil. Everyone, I'm making this video outside and you can notice it is fluctuating. Well, keep watching and see the method how I prepare delicious stew on a charcoal stove. So when the vegetable oil get hot, the next thing I do is to add my freshly chopped onions and stir to combine for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, in a bowl I have my mixed ingredients: seasoning, curry, dry thyme, rosemary, and I go ahead and pour it and stir to combine 1 to 2 minutes. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning back. Next, I'll go into add my tomato puree. So you know Nigerian tomato, tin tomatoes, the way we call it here, is always very thick. So I emptied it in a bowl, add a little water and mixed it before pouring it into my onions. Doing that, allow it to fry very well and losing all that taste, that sour taste it does have. So your stew will not have such sour taste. So I'll fry this for 5 minutes. It's a charcoal stove, so you can reduce the flame. You keep stirring. So next I'll add my homemade tomato paste. There I have red bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, fresh tomato, onions, garlic, ginger, blended and boiled to try. So I continue to stir this for 30 minutes. It is charcoal stove and is very delicious. In fact, the aroma of this stew is already taking over the whole compound. Have you ever tried making stew the village way? I noticed that village stew is always yummy. It has this different taste. So I said, let me try it out here, and it was really delicious. And I said, let me share it with you. If you travel home, consider eating stew made on charcoal stove on firewood. So keep watching. If this is your first time, please do subscribe to my channel. Yummy recipes are updated every week on this channel. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to share my video to your friends and families. Wow, I can't wait for this stew to get ready. I was already waiting for it to finish cooking. So I'm just showing you what my charcoal stove look like. If you want to know how I set the fire, I will leave the link to a video where I started the video from the scratch, where I make the fire. So on this very video, I just go ahead, the fire is already set and prepare the stew. So the link on how I make my charcoal stove is, I'm going to be leaving it just down below, so you click the first link to get that. So I'll cover it for just 5 minutes. Remember, it's a charcoal stove, you don't need to leave it. If not, it will burn. I believe you would like the taste of burnt stew. So after stirring this for 30 to 40 minutes, the next thing is to add my chicken. I boiled this chicken behind camera and grilled it. If you want to know how I season my chicken, especially Nigerian chicken, live chicken, I'll also leave the link down below, the second link down below. Don't forget to check it out and also like and comment. So next, I'm adding my chicken stock. add according to the quantity of stew you are making. Hello my genuine subscribers, thanks so much for your wonderful support. And if this is your first time you've watched my video up to this point, please consider subscribing and stay connected always. Do share my video to your friends and families if you have the ability to do so, so you see what our delicious charcoal stew is turning to be like. It's super delicious. It goes very well with bread. Those of you who like eating bread, eating stew with bread, try this. Super yummy. So our stew is ready. It goes with white rice, yam. The choice is yours. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay connected. See you in the next video, and bye for now.